Hello na naman mga Yoch, welcome back to my channel. It's the same day pero kasi mahaba na yung isang video kaya pinutol ko siya into another one. Hindi pwede palang aso. No pets allowed. Papunta tayo ng museum. Museum. Yes. But we're gonna be walking. Hi, Andrew. Yes, a cameo. Sabayan niyo akong umikot sa museum ha para may learning experience tayo dito. You're in there. Say hi. Yeah, that's Rosalie. Rosalie. She is very shy. Camera shy. Here's Tita Lou. Okay, let's go. What's that? It's a bee. This is so malaki. This is you. Oh, picture time muna. Yes. Yes. Do the Marilyn Monroe. Yeah. Okay, do the Marilyn Monroe.
Not strong enough.
Not strong enough. Nice. Ayan na nga, dito tayo sa museum. Who's that? Who is it? No. I don't know where we're going.
That's so cute.
Let's go door by door. Okay, let's go door by door. Let's see. This is the prehistory and ancient history gallery. This one. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. Ang ganda. Ewan ko, hindi ko siya maintindihan. Right? Ayan ang napasukan ko, mga bato. So, ang mga bato, ang daming
Different kinds of stone.
stone. Ay, ang daming adik. Yung mga bato. Look at this. So many batos. Okay. The American archaeologist Mobius. Sa pag-iikot ko, marami akong nakita pang mga bato. Iba't ibang klase ng bato na ginagamit sa pamumuhay noong panahong ito. Indirect percussion. Ayan, yung mga spear nila. Kasi mga ginagamit. Look at number 14. Yan o. May mga bata na nag-aano talaga sila ng kanilang, ito yung mga assignment nila to. Look at them. Oh. Nag-aano sila. Mga bata. Ay, oh, bones. Ayan pa, may mga bata doon na sine-check nila kung anong nakita nila siguro. According to their ano. Look. This is very ano ay, ang taray. Look. Gawa sa bato. Long time ago. Yun ang ginagamit nilang pang ano. Grabe, no? Ayan. Race design pottery. Comb pattern pottery. Sabi dito, climate change as a crisis and an opportunity. For people who had adapted to colder climates, the warmer weather was not a crisis, but they survived successfully by creating tools that suited their environment. Ayan nga. Itong ginawa nilang pang labahan siguro yan. A corn storage pit. Dibuwi. to have been discovered as first. These are the stones na ginamit nila sa kanilang ano. Ba't maliliit naman? Ay, ano to? Libingan. Human bones are on display. Ay. Uy, human bone? Ayan, ganyan ano. Oh my gosh. Nakalagay nga, funerals for the departed. Yan, fishing activities advised by region. Oo. Ganun sila. Itong mga ginagamit nila pang fish. Mga hook. Ayan. Ganon. Ay, what is this? Number 8. Obsidian tools. 7. Number 7. Core and flakes. Tingnan mo, very artistic done, even long before. Tapos, meron na silang mga pattern. Ang taray. Binibenta kaya nila to before? Or naghihiraman lang sila? Ito pinakamalaki. O, replica lang. Hindi siya masyadong fixed, no? Pero ang bongga. Ito naman clay na siya. Noong pangunang panahon, nag-clay na. Oh. Ba? Ano to? Wow. Oh, ito medyo maganda-ganda na. Huh? Medyo okay na yung pottery nila. Kasi red burnished pottery. Yeah. If you really are going to learn the prehistoric dito sa Korea, marami kang matututunan dito. So, I'm going to the Gojoseon Boyo Samhan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. But, let's see. Punta tayo dito. Or naikot ko lang siya. I think naikot ko lang. Nagkatagpo kami ni Tita Lu. Ay, okay. Mga potteries pa rin. Nakita ko pottery. Ang nakakaloka na, museum to, hindi hotel. Sko. Sana doon sila sa hotel. No? Oh, look at this. The development now of the iron culture. Look. Nasa kanina mga bato, ngayon naman mga metal na. Yan. Yung mga paggawa na ng mga metal, mga sandata, eme. Yan. Okay. Ang taray mo. Oh. Has this? Oh, yeah, no. Tombs of the rulers of society. Wow. Diyan nilalagay yung patay. See? Yeah, dyan. What are these now? So, this for cooking? Iron cooking stove. Yes. Here, that's the iron cooking stove. Spike shoes?
For punishment. Just kidding.
Yeah, I think so. Like Gilbron's feather-shaped crown. These are Gilbron's spiked shoes. It's a shoe?
No, that's a big ass foot.
I know.
Damn.
Spiked shoe. What are these? Roof end tile with honeysuckle design. Ah, roof end. Okay. May napasok naman akong video room. So, umupo lang ako doon, pinanood ko itong history na to. Hindi ko naman naintindihan pero pinanood ko lang. In the first place, napagod ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong nafe-feel ko. Wala pa naman akong nafe-feel. Sabi nila kasi, pag pinanood mo daw ito, meron kang mafe-feel na kakaiba. Pero wala naman akong nafe-feel. Kayo ba? These are their jewelries. Look at their jewelries. So, over here, more potteries. Oh, napunta ko na ba ito? Tevers Gaya Pottery. Okay. Yeah.
Is that the stuff that they found at the start?
Mm-hmm. Look at this. Gold crown. Those are gold? Number 3 is a gold crown. Number 2 is a gilt bronze crown. Those are gold. Gold earrings, gold ring. Here are some accessories, jade. Yeah. Jade necklaces. Sure. It's a belt. Wow. Is that gold? I think it's made of gold. Right? Yeah, it's a gold crown and girdle. It says here. Look. It says here. It's a gold crown and girdle. Wow. In the form of 3 branches and deer antlers. Now, what is this? Okay. It's a fountain. It's a fountain. So where's the entrance? I think it's over there. Museum shop. Okay. Of course, kailangan may museum shop. Diba? Sorry. Tingin-tingin tayo dito sa museum shop kung ano mabibili natin. Siyempre dito sa museum, mahal yan. Kaya sa labas ka nalang bibili. Okay. Yan. Kaya sa labas ka nalang bibili. Ay, may robot. There's robot. Look. Okay. Saan ka pupunta? Ha? Saan kayo siya pupunta? Uy. Hala? Siyempre sinusundan ko lang siya. Naglilinis kaya siya o I don't know. My companion. This is my companion. The robot. Okay, come on, let's go. Come here. Come with me. Come here. Come with me. At sa laki ng museum na to, hindi ko talaga siya na ikot lahat. Hindi ko napuntahan dun sa kabila. Hindi ako nakapunta sa taas. Kasi ano lang yung oras na binigay sa amin. Pero may kapampangan akong nakita. Ayan siya. Yan. Very interesting. Okay. So, pero ang daming tao dito. Nakaloka. If you really would like to know their culture, the history, punta kayo dito sa museum na to when you are in Korea. Okay? Kaya, well, may pupuntahan kami after this museum. Thank you sa panunood. Kahit short lang period of time. Nakakaloka. Para kung loko-loko, kinakausap mo sarili ko sa phone. Hindi ko pa na-picturean pala si Dimo mamaya. Ay, picturean ko muna si Dimo. Anyway, thank you sa panunood. Bye-bye. May museum din siya. Oh.
Let's go! X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S. X-I-A-O-V-I-B-E-S. Here we go!